Hey you guys, welcome back. It's nice to see you. Thank you very much for watching. If you're a new viewer, hi. My name is Beth, and today I'm working in the Advent calendar. So, let us see. What color is that? That is pretty dark. So let's use this for the wood. And this is Raw Umber BR1. Okay, now we want to go with a little bit lighter brown. Let's try dull yellow. Okay, now another color for her. Close. Thank you. Why not? I never use this color that I know of. Brown gray Y11. Let's see what this is. Okie dokes. My husband has misplaced his glasses, and we've been looking for them for the past 2 or 3 days, and they are literally nowhere to be found. At this point, I'm expecting to find them in the freezer, inside a bag of frozen peas or something. Seriously, we have looked everywhere. There. Okay, now this is snow on top of greenery. So how are we gonna do that? Let's find, what color is that? Something green. GY 172. Okay. You know, this color would go well with this color for his chest. But I think I'll use what I did with her. I have never figured out how to color snow, yet to figure it out. So let's go with very lightest gray, cool gray 0. There we go. snow. Now the number needs to be a bright, cheerful color. Let's go with vivid purple P1. Let's brighten this picture up. Okay, and then let's put in use silver. All right, my Bingo glitter ink. I'm using orange to kind of coordinate with their brown skin. And green, because there needs to be some green on this paper. There we go. Oh yeah, my silver. Okay. Goodness, I got that open fairly easy. Generally not the case. You know, there is a rule to dots, or any object actually, and that is odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, etc. But not even numbers, like 2, 4, or such like. It just gives it a sense of balance. It's been like that. Heck, I learned that 60 years ago when I was doing art with my grandma. And I'm sure that it's been that way for centuries. So there we go. It's probably too much, but what the heck. Now let's throw some into the snow, quote unquote. Forgot the eyes. We want a nice dark brown. So this is Y13 chestnut brown, which is practically a black. There we go. Ta-da! And there is the 10th for this one. There we go. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.